Video Dashboard Commercial Unlimited is an all-in-one marketing software that comes with brand new innovations and integrations that make it easy for anyone to automatically research the trending market pulse. E-market trends, viral content, keywords, and hashtags. Create stunning videos for all top social platforms, publish or schedule content, and to generate free traffic, all from a single dashboard. This video dashboard commercial review will look at this software in detail. The app comes with a commercial license so that you can make money legally by selling the videos you make or the traffic generation service to top businesses. The Video Dashboard app comes loaded with several never-seen-before groundbreaking technologies. With this app, you can discover, identify and monetize growth trends before they happen. Create, build unlimited platform-specific videos and other content that attract attention and get you more customers. Publish, schedule and syndicate your stunning videos to all platforms from one unified app. Automate, grow your business without paid ads using powerful first-to-market technologies. Make money, drive unlimited free traffic, leads, and sales for yourself or sell to clients with the commercial license. Main features of Video Dashboard. Video repurposer, convert all old and boring videos to scroll stoppers in minutes. Add filters, shapes, frames, background, texts, effects, colors, images and calls to action in minutes to any video. Video merger, combine multiple videos into your own work of art. Convert multiple royalty-free video clips or mini clips into full-fledged sales videos without making any content yourself. Video Resizer, automatically resize any video into social media compatible format within seconds. Upload the video and select the size. Instantly get more engagement from your videos using this powerful Video Resizer app. Video Speed Changer, speed up or slow down videos. Convert long videos that were previously too long for social media and shorten the play time without loss in quality or cropping your message. Watch your click rates skyrocket as proven pattern interrupt technology keeps more viewers engaged from start to finish. No length limits, create ultra-long videos with no length limits, commercial license, use the app for your own or client projects and maximize your revenues. Exclusive bonus, limited time only. Get access to 100 additional bonus video templates on top of the 100 plus premium templates and the 5 new templates delivered to you each month for the next 1 year. We really want to stack the value here to ensure your success. You are getting access to a total 360 total premium video templates as part of this upgrade. The real-world value of something like this is priceless. It takes days for our animators to create one template from scratch and integrate it into the app. We are putting our entire team to work so you get maximized value and results.